What's up, everybody? Got a few no cool calls today. We're headed on. First one here, we're headed to a church, a new account. It looks like it'll be a good new account. They've never used me before. And then I've got one of my oldest customers. His drain, his AC drain, sounds like it's stopped up. I have to go blow him out. And then we got another new customer that called in today and said that his fan motor outside's not turning, and it's a train unit. So we'll headed that way, and I should definitely be able to get some footage at the church. I don't know about the drain. I don't know if I'll be able to get y'all any footage of that, because the customers usually, he usually stays right there with me and talks to me and stuff, which, that's fine. I mean, but anyway, hopefully I can get some footage at the church and get some at that train unit we're gonna go work on. So y'all stick around for the fun. All right, we're here at the church, and we got an old carrier that's about 100 years old. The blower motor's running. This is a Pakage unit. You can probably hear that air moving across there, but we have no compressor and no fan motor. And we have a call for cooling, and I don't see any pressure switches, so I'm gonna figure out where we're losing our Y call. I see a little time delay with a double pole, double throw relay that might be burned up. So I'm gonna see if that time delay is bad, and if it is, I'm just gonna eliminate it, and then I'll show y'all how to do that. So let me get started. Okay, I didn't have to go very far with it. What we got is the blower motor runs through this relay. It has nothing to do with the contactor. As you can see there, this time delay is just hooked to the 24-volt side of the relay. This is your common wire, and this green wire is your call for fan, and this is your hot leg feeding the relay, and this is going out to your speed tap. The compressor and the fan motor is ran by this contactor up above, and when I pulled the little cover off, y'all ought to be able to see this pretty good. I'd say that sucker there is toasted. All right, there's our new contactor in place, all wired up. Yeah, I'd say that one there just about had it. Look at that. Yep, that one was gone. All right, I'm gonna go hit the disconnect, and she should fire. Let's see what happens. She's alive. All right, well, the old green carrier that they painted here, she lives to fight another day. All right, well, let's move on to the next one.